Today, we'll clear up the confusion between digital marketing and affiliate marketing. Let's see how they're different. Digital marketing is the broad term for promoting products or services using the internet. It includes SEO, social media marketing, paid ads, email campaigns, and content marketing. Companies use digital marketing to increase brand awareness, attract customers, and boost sales. Companies use digital marketing to increase brand awareness, attract customers, and boost sales. Affiliate marketing is actually a part of digital marketing. Here, an individual promotes another company's products using special links. Whenever someone buys through that link, the affiliate earns a commission. It's a win-win. The company gets sales, and the affiliate earns passive income. Here are the main differences. 1. Scope. Digital marketing is broad. Affiliate marketing is a subset. 2. Ownership. In digital marketing, you promote your own brand or product. In affiliate marketing, you promote someone else's product. 3. Earnings. Digital marketers earn profits from selling their own goods, services. Affiliates earn commissions only. 4. Control. Digital marketers control strategy, pricing, and campaigns. Affiliates depend on the company's rules and commission rates. To sum up, digital marketing is the big umbrella, while affiliate marketing is just one branch under it. If you want to build a brand, focus on digital marketing. If you want side income without owning products, try affiliate marketing.